particularly first-time buyers, if you can go through what they should expect.
Absolutely. So the key word here is time. Time is your enemy, or time is your best friend. It's never too soon to get pre-approved. Let me start with that. I have some people that I talk with 1 to 2 years before they buy a home.
Wow.
And all that they're what they're gaining by starting that soon is the confidence that they're on the right track. Because for pre-approvals, we're looking at a few things. We're looking at your credit. Your credit, even when you think you have great credit, sometimes has erroneous mistakes on it. These TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, the main 3 bureaus that we pull from, are dealing with trillions of transactions. There are tons of mistakes, whether it's being reported erroneously or it's just an actual mistake. It doesn't matter. I've been doing this 22 years. I can't tell you how many people that think they have 800 credit and realize they still have their authorized user card on from their parents who hadn't been paying it, and there's credit card late. There's always a solution if you have time. So I'm going to go back to time. If you find a problem on your credit report and it's as simple as fixing it because it was a junior senior issue, no problem. You send in the letters, you make the calls, and within a few weeks, within a few months, your credit is cleared and fixed. If you're coming to me 30 days before you want to buy your dream home and you're doing your pre-approval 30 days before, the day you get into contract, and all of a sudden I tell you have a credit problem and now you can't buy your home, or it's going to be a much more expensive interest rate, or you're not going to be as competitive with your offer because now you can't go in without contingencies. Time is what is going to heal you. So I always start with that first when we talk about pre-approvals and documentation. Knowing that you can't go too soon. The process is pretty quick and painless and easy nowadays, thanks to technology. You fill out an online application. Takes you 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to know all of the answers: name, address, social security, date of birth, where you work, how much money you make, etc., stuff like that. Once you fill that out, there's no cost or no commitment needed at these early stages. Then we're running the application, pulling the credit. We can do soft pulls nowadays, which is great in case you really are a year out and you're like, oh, there's no reason for a hard pull. I have perfect credit. Now we do a lot of soft pulls, and I see, great, the one soft pull we do was a 777 score, 787. I'm confirming your credit's great. Nothing looks bad. Then we don't have to do a hard pull until you're within, say, 3 months of a purchase time frame, something much more close than that. After the application, we get your documentation: pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, etc., blood samples, DNA sample. No, not quite. But don't be surprised if blood and DNA samples are soon a new thing to get soon. But we get all the documentation, and that can be uploaded into our secure portal, which is, again, very nice. You download your PDF directly from your secure banks, your banking site, with from your big bank or credit union or who have you, and then you're uploading that PDF directly into a secure portal. It can also be emailed and gotten other ways, but that's probably the fastest and most expeditious way. All of this can be done in 24 hours.